So Shiba Inu, the burn rate is skyrocketing over 800%. There's trading volume of 5 trillion Shiba Inu. This is a massive record for what we are potentially seeing a bottom for Shiba Inu. So what we are seeing is increased whale buys. And what this means specifically is that when the whales start stepping in, bottoms are formed, and that's when we start pumping. We don't start pumping until these big whales, these institutions start aping into Shiba Inu. And we can see that this activity is buying, it's bullish activity. And another thing as well, if we take a look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin has regained the May low, which is a very, very bullish technical thing. As a trader, this is what I look for to go long, and this is how I'm making thousands of dollars every single week. With the trade setup like this is one of my number one setups, me as a crypto trader. Whenever you have a low and then the low is swept and regained, we have now 3 daily closes for Bitcoin above this level, which is a very bullish thing. The last time that this took place was right here. You see, we had this low of $40,000. Bitcoin swept it. And as soon as it swept it, closed above the level, Bitcoin pumped to new all-time highs. And that's what's looking like is about to happen for Bitcoin, which if this is about to happen for Bitcoin, it's going to translate for Shiba Inu, which has already bounced up massively. If we take a look here at Shiba Inu, we can see that we are forming higher lows, which is beyond bullish. And Shiba Inu is already up 28% from the recent crash this past weekend. That's absolutely insane. I'm confident that it is quite possible the bottom is in for Shiba Inu, for Dogecoin, for altcoins across the board. If we take a look at the total 3 market cap, we could see that we have a low, we have a higher low, and it looks like we're about to break resistance and start pumping. If this happens, things are about to get crazy very, very quickly for not only altcoins, but specifically Shiba Inu. So I'm confident that Shiba Inu, this is the bottom. This is the most optimal buying opportunity. And we could probably see 100% gains in the next couple of months very quickly. And the 100% gains is just Shiba Inu returning to its mean. It's not a massive pump. I mean, technically it's a massive pump, but for people that are holding, we may have entries at the top. We may have entries here. We may have entries way lower, which if you were following me, if you were following the Patreon, we bought Shiba Inu super, super cheap way before it started pumping. But look at this. Shiba Inu is just going to be bouncing back up, and a bounce back up is about 100% gain. So buying at these very levels, holding, waiting for this pump to happen, which will happen. It will happen. Cryptos will pump again. We are in a bull market. I mean, look at this. It is a halving year. And guess what happens every single halving year? Towards the end of the year, Q4, we typically will see a very bullish July, and we will also see as well very bullish September, October, November, and December. So these are the months where I think cryptos are really going to take off. You got to watch out because January can be a bearish month. And in January, it was 2020. January was a very bullish month for that halving year. And then in 2016, it was a bearish month. So if you make a lot of gains towards the end of the year, take and realize your profits. Start taking profits so that when the correction happens, which it will happen, 100% guarantee you there will be a correction, that's when you buy back in. So on a technical level, it's a bit early to call the bottom, but I do think a bottom is in. It's a bit early, it's a bit aggressive, yes, but we are seeing the signs, and that's what we are looking forward to. We're starting to see bullish signs, and that's what we as traders, we make our investment decisions. That's how we make our trades. Nothing in this video is financial advice, but look, it is looking bullish. We are seeing bullish signs. If these bullish signs confirm, which what we really need to see here is we need to see Bitcoin trading and closing above this $58,000, $500 level, which will be the June 24 lows. If we can regain these levels, hold above this level, I think Bitcoin and altcoins are about to go absolutely crazy. So make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you guys can follow my trade alerts, where people in my Patreon are making thousands of dollars every single week. Yesterday, I made over $10,000. You guys can go to my Twitter and you can see all of my trades yesterday that made over $10,000. A single trade, $5,000, $4,000. You guys can have access to following my trade signals, when to buy and when to sell coins. in the Patreon and my constant market updates. As well, I highly suggest that you guys are using my Algosniper trading indicator, which will tell you exactly when to sell, when to buy any coin before it takes off and before it crashes. You guys can try Algosniper today for just $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, I highly suggest that you are trading cryptos over on Blowfin, where you can have the cheapest fees on any platform in the world. It's a trading platform, not an exchange where it costs thousands of dollars to make a single transaction. And also, you'll be able to long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage, and you'll be able to qualify up to a $5,000 deposit bonus by using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.